everyone. Welcome to today's interesting storytelling project. I'm in front of you. My name is Mr. Srishan from Smile for All Foundation. Here I have come in front of you to present another interesting story. As you all know, children, that in today's world, trusting people is not that very easy. We meet numerous people in our life, but there are very few or very rare people who we trust a lot. And that trust building is the connectivity between us and the God Almighty. Sometimes we start asking questions to ourselves whether God exists or not. Actually, the God definitely exists in everyone's heart, and the positive energy or the source with which we connect people and how they help each other or help us is what the God's positivity or God's, the power of God is all about. So here comes a very interesting story. There was a very young boy who was, selling small objects from door to door, like a salesman. He was selling different types of objects from one door to the other, visiting one village to the other. And as he was continuously going on, he got completely tired. It was late afternoon and he didn't had any pack of food. He was feeling very tired and thirsty. So he just started thinking that how can I quench my thirst, or what should I eat, as he was feeling very hungry. So he knocked at one of the home, and there was a very young lady who opened the door, and this boy asked that could you able to provide me with a glass of water, and the lady agreed. When the lady saw this boy, she understood that this boy is very hungry. He's feeling very hungry, and he didn't had any food also till now. Thus she felt little mercy on this boy and provided a very big glass of milk, and provided this boy. This boy took the milk and started drinking. The complete one glass of milk he drank, and he was so happy that he felt very, the hunger has completely come down. And he really thanked the lady and asked the lady that how much I should pay for the one glass of milk. And the lady smiled and said that there is nothing that you need to pay. The boy said to the lady that, my mother said that whatever you take from anyone, you need to repay that. The lady said that consider that it is your mother's love and affection through which a glass of milk was given. And thus the boy happily agreed and left that place. Years passed by, many years they went away. And one fine year, very long years later, this particular lady, this young lady, she became very old, and she was suffering with a very dangerous, dreadful disease. She was at a dying stage, and the family members didn't know what to do. And suddenly they decided that they need to they need to move to a city hospital, where in city a good doctor or a specialist can be consulted, and the lady can recover from her illness. So the lady was taken to the city hospital, where this same young boy, the young boy I'm talking about is the salesman who was selling small things. That same boy was living in that city. When she reached the hospital, the family members started inquiring. When they went to the hospital, there was no doctor there in the hospital. So immediately the consultant or the office staff of that hospital immediately started calling this particular doctor. And this doctor was none other than that same young boy from whom who got help from this lady in the name of a glass of drinking a glass of milk. This lady was taken to the the operation theater, and the details were written in the form. After writing that, the consultant, the office staff called immediately to the doctor, as the doctor was in the home, that there is one patient come from this particular village. And immediately the doctor got surprised. He was excited to know who is this patient, because he know this village very well. And thus he immediately rushed to the hospital and got into the details by seeing the form, and immediately decided that whatever may happen, I will definitely take care of this lady and will make her to recover from death. He started talking to different doctors, started getting lot of symptoms, studied the symptoms, and started giving treatment for the lady. And one fine day, God's grace, she started recovering so well. She became very much alright now. And thus, the doctor felt so happy that this lady has recovered from the very dreadful disease. When she was in the hospital, when she was in the bed, later on she started realizing that now that I stayed many days in the hospital for the treatment, there definitely is going to be a very, very big bill, high fees I may need to pay. So she sent her one of the family member to the doctor's clinic, that is to the doctor's office, and asked that what is the complete fees of this treatment, how much I need to pay for the treatment. Thus the doctor wrote a slip and sent it to the family member. When the slip came to this lady, she saw that, and it was written that you have already paid the fees or the bill in the form of 1 glass of hot milk for me. And she was completely into tears. The lady was feeling so excited. The eyes were filled with tears. Tears started rolling in her eyes, and she realized that God has sent one human being with a big heart. Likewise, dear children, in our life also there are numerous people as strangers in our life, but definitely one fine day they become helpful to us, and they only become helpful to us when we start helping each other. That's all for the day. Thank you very much. Namaste.